Open the freezer door and pull out the drawer. On the sides of the drawer, locate the locking clips. Lift up on the tabs to unlock the locking clips. Repeat steps on the opposite side. Remove the freezer drawer and set it aside. On the freezer drawer guides, locate the locking screw. With a Phillips head and drill, remove the screws on both sides. Lift up and remove the freezer door with the guide rails. Place the front of the freezer door flat on the ground so that the guide rails are facing upward. Remove all 4 Phillips head screws from the base of the guide rails. Repeat the same process on the opposite side if needed. Install the new guide rails by aligning the notches and set the new guide rails into place. Insert and hand thread the 4 screws. Tighten the 4 screws to secure the rails to the freezer door. Make sure you don't over-tighten the screws. Remove the 3 Phillips screws that secure the rails in place. Carefully pull and remove the old rails that were attached to the sides of the wall of the freezer. Repeat on opposite side if needed. Install the new sidewall rails, aligning it with the screw holes. Attach the guide rail to the freezer wall with the 3 Phillips head screws. Extend the guide rails outward as shown. Insert the freezer door and align the freezer door rail with the sidewall rail. Make sure you align the guide hook with the rail as shown. This will help in lining up the rails together. Do the same on the opposite side. Insert and attach the locking screw on both sides. Insert the freezer bin. Align the tabs on the bin to the guide rails as shown. This will allow the bin to sit in the proper place. Engage the locking clips on both sides of the bin.